Introducing Priority, a scalable, affordable, and open cloud ERP platform that empowers organizations of all sizes to manage their businesses smarter, easier, and with more agility. When it comes to functionality, Priority stands out in the industry as one of the most comprehensive ERP platforms available. With natively integrated financial capabilities, the ERP platform also supports an array of in-depth functionalities, such as manufacturing, CRM, supply chain management, customer service, project management, warehouse management, and more, serving as a single source of truth. Priority's ERP platform is equipped with robust financial features that offer full visibility into your organization's finances. These include the management of financial transactions, such as invoicing, payment processing, and financial reporting, tools for managing compliance with financial and tax regulations, cash and budget management, billing, revenue recognition, reconciliation, and process automation. Priority's Cloud ERP has been recognized as a leading ERP vendor by analysts such as IDC and Gartner, the latter of which has positioned Priority in its Magic Quadrant over multiple years. At Priority, we thrive on innovation, and we are dedicated to delivering the tools you need to efficiently run and grow your business.